Nestled along the picturesque coastline of South Australia lies the quaint and charming town of Wool Bay, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by intrepid travelers seeking authentic experiences. With its rich history, stunning natural landscapes and welcoming community, Wool Bay offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Wool Bay is renowned for its pristine beaches, where soft white sands meet crystal clear waters, inviting visitors to unwind and soak up the sun. Whether you're an avid swimmer, a passionate angler, or simply someone who enjoys leisurely strolls along the shore, the beaches of Wool Bay offer something for everyone. Don't miss the opportunity to witness breathtaking sunsets painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, creating a magical ambience that will stay with you long after you've left. For history enthusiasts, Wool Bay boasts a fascinating past dating back to the early days of European settlement in Australia. The town was once a thriving hub for the wool trade, hence its name, and remnants of its maritime heritage can still be seen today. Explore historic buildings, wander through charming streets lined with heritage-listed cottages, and immerse yourself in the stories of generations past. Nature lovers will delight in Wool Bay's rugged coastline and stunning natural wonders. Take a scenic drive along the coast, stopping at lookout points to admire breathtaking views of the ocean stretching out to the horizon. Birdwatchers will be thrilled by the abundance of bird life that calls Wool Bay home, including majestic seabirds and colourful parrots. After a day of exploration, indulge in the local culinary delights that Wool Bay has to offer. Sample freshly caught seafood at one of the town's renowned eateries, or pack a picnic and enjoy a meal al fresco surrounded by the beauty of nature. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a glimpse into the past, Wool Bay offers an unforgettable travel experience that will leave you longing to return time and time again. Come discover the charm of this hidden gem on the South Australian coastline and create memories that will last a lifetime.